I lose, whatever. But I just say that.
Fuck it. Oh yeah, I'm definitely loading. Putting that one on. Nigga is definitely loading.
That is fire, nigga. That is fire, bro.
That's why I tell niggas all the time. I'm like, nigga, I'm loading right now. Don't worry about me.
30 is looking good for these hosts too.
I did get in at the top of that shit too.
Let me see.
Dude, I could have got in on the NASDAQ sales late at night, but I woke up too late.
What is late? You mean like this morning late or like?
No, like London session. Actually, I was in the
Yeah. I was about to say that would have been the move because that's when I originally got into it. But bro, honestly, you're fine because that shit just bullshit.
We live on YouTube, boy.
I had gotten in at that time on US30, and originally I was in immediate profit. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then when I woke up, I was negative. I was up like 50 to 60 points too. That shit was crazy.
Yeah, I don't need this.
I didn't need. It wasn't like necessarily a certain amount of points I was looking for. I was looking for it to fill the ring. You know what I mean?
My trade. Don't you supposed to do that? I don't even know how to do that. Speaking like a person.
You said. I'm sorry. I couldn't really hear you there.
Yeah. You sound like you underwater, Brody.
I posted my trade this morning. Oh, I showed it. It's live. I'm gonna be doing that.
Yo, you see my screen, bro? Just go live. Bro, you could literally live stream while still being on Zoom with us. So just do it. Like, still talk to us and still live stream.
Nah, I got a baby mama that's trying to find me.
You dead ass? You dead ass, Bells?
Talking about XRP, bro. Huh?
Bro,
You dead ass?
Know why? Because
I'm already boss off. Y'all. You said what?
Let me chill out, bro. I've been on this shit. I've been sitting. He knows why. I don't know why he said that. Like, yo. He knows exactly why, bro. You gonna get me, you know what I'm saying, backed up.
This nigga for out, boy. That boy finna get active. Whoa. That nigga was about to get busy. Oh, yeah. Nas is gonna come up and fill this gap and drop, bro. I'm telling you.
I hope not.
I hope it does, because if it fills this gap, that'll be my snap on you. I got my glasses on, nigga. I'm waiting.
Like, wait. Keno, are you already out of that, John?
Yeah, my shit been took me out, but now I'm seeing it. I'm like, damn, support. Exactly.
Something like this, bro. I was expecting something like this, but I wasn't trying to tell you what to do. You know what I mean?
What time frame you
That would have been have to draw down. That I would have had to draw my stop loss lower under this last low.
I bet you it didn't even stop you out too much lower than when
Bro, it stopped me out right. I'm gonna show you right where it stopped me out, bro.
I knew it. I should have. I'm gonna say something next time, bro.
I'm gonna show you right here, bro. I just stopped out right here when it broke, because I had my low under this one. Bro, if I just left it, if I put my stop losses here under this low, under this low, I would have been straight. But that's too much risk. Then my risk would have been from like 2 to 4K. My entry was all the way here, bro, when it started breaking. Yeah, so it didn't make no sense for me to move my stop loss.
Broke even. That's the sad part.
Nigga, that's a fat ass guy.
That's a fat ass stop loss, bro. But my stop loss was here, and my take profit was looking for here. But I had other entries along the way. So I had another entry down here. When I woke up in the morning and I seen the support was still being maintained, I put another entry here, like at the low, the support, and I gave it some space. But this one would have been a way better entry. But it is what it is, bro.
Bullish today.
1% for the day. It's all good.
That boy bullish. Tell you, we bullish.
We bullish for the day.
I'm bullish.
Telling you, my boy.
I just finally did my analysis.
What makes you bullish on the day specifically?
Looking at price action, we've still been bullish. And then 2, retail sentiment across all indexes. Everybody's primarily short. And then the heat map is like super green. Yeah. So I'm using fundamentals and technicals together. So all together.
Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, I do that. I read the news, like read a couple articles, and then I base my what I think off of what I see in the chart. That shit helps a lot.
It does. It makes it a lot easier for me to like take.
Yeah, but NASDAQ and US30 is going up no matter what, just for a couple of days to hit this certain zone.
Fundamentals and technical.
NAS played me, bro, but it be like that, man.
I'm looking for 30 to go to 33.
I'm looking for 30 to short.
Tuesday to potentially make like the high of the week or indices. But since we've been so bullish and extended to the upside, I would assume we continue bullish today and then tomorrow. Potentially.
800 levels going to be mapped.
Now, if we have 2 bullish weeks,
At least want a correction if we go higher, like some sort of correction.
Some sort of pullback, please. God damn.
Oh yeah, no, we definitely overdue.
You're overdue for one for sure, but it could just keep going.
Oh yeah.
Now everybody's been talking about it too. Nigga, 30 and Nas, just 30, been having fucking all these big ass fucking pushes with no pullback.
No, that's Nas. Nas had a big ass push with no pullback.
That's
Like,
S&P too.
this shit been pushing with
Bro,
no
for
pullback.
like 2 days,
Like,
no
when is it
pullback.
gonna come?
What the
When is
fuck?
it gonna come, bro?
After Tuesday of last week, we've just been bullish.
So I'm gonna just trade with the trend today, man. I'm gonna see what it offers up. We got news at 10. Let's see. We got news at 10. We got a red folder today at 10. So I don't see no trades to get in before 10, so I'm just gonna wait.
This was a 15-minute, yeah. Okay. So this 1 hour, I like the pit bar close on this 30. That is doing some crazy shit. Oh no, if pit bar close was up for support. Nigga, I buy NAS right now. Oh fuck. Ugh. Let me find out we break the structure on the lower time frame. Yeah. Oh, clearly higher. NAS looking beautiful. Hold on.
You said on the lower time frame?
I need the 5 minute to close. I need the 5 minutes to break these highs and then I'll get my pullback.
Yeah, pullback for the buys, right?
Hell yeah, man.
That's what I'm seeing too, but that shit took me out like a bitch, like a smut. But it still gotta close that gap. Still gotta close that gap.
Beautiful though. The way the 1 hour closes the pin bar off of that support is just lovely. Lovely.
Facts. Lovely. Very lovely.
Beautiful pin bar.
So I'm just waiting for the pullback realistically. If I get that pullback, I'm in that bitch like a motherfucker.
But we do gotta watch out because of that fucking gap. We can just
Hey man, to the stream, top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning, bro. But yeah, that freaking, I didn't cash it. I'm gonna see if I could cash the close of the gap this time, but it definitely got me stopped out.
Well, wait, nigga, your gap's not on the screen.
My gap is up here, bro. The gap. Let me show you. I'm gonna put it up. Shit.
I don't see the gap.
At 30, really opposites today. Like, what the hell?
No, I think they're gonna line. They're gonna be bullish.
Can you see my screen now? Can you see the MetaTrader?
This morning, like,
Look like it just, look at 30. Yeah, 30's coming back to retest that level again. Let's see what's
they're just doing the opposite of what each other is doing. NAS at the bottom of the range, US30's at the top of the range. NAS didn't fill the gap, 30 did. NAS is going up, 30's going down.
Yo, y'all see my screen?
Yeah, I do now. So
Yeah, so the gap is right here, bro.
Damn, you got 197? Yeah.
That's a huge gap to fill.
Oh yeah, that's the gap.
Yeah.
God damn, nigga, how many indicators and EAs you got on that motherfucker? Your shit is packed.
Mine?
or what is that?
You talking about my screen?
Yeah, what is that?
Bro, what indicators are y'all referring to? Yeah, well, no, I gotta see what indicators y'all referring to. So explain the indicators.
Oh, y'all, I just want to know what I'm looking at.
Oh, this is the line separator, bro. This is just to separate the days, so I can see the different days.
What application is this?
This is MT5.
Oh, word. Well, they got that shit looking like a fucking Windows XP program. Like,
Nah, it's just the colors I put them on. It's just the colors I
no,
like.
like they got you with folders on the left side, nigga. What the?
Oh. Yeah. Facts.
Nah, they're
This is how I primarily trade, bro.
They're different for that, bro. That shit. There's no reason that shit should not look like up to date.
It just don't look like TradingView. TradingView is, I guess, is up to date.
Not even like the app is like smooth in a sense. You know what I mean? Like it's crisp.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look like I'm looking at something from 1997.
Yeah, true. Looks fresh.
I just broke even.
Y'all taking trades?
Not yet.
I mean,
I took a trade, but I got stopped out.
I
But
took a trade last night, bro. Not gonna lie to you.
Niggas say Negro.
this a Negro.
I haven't heard that in a minute.
Word.
My grandma was on
Listen, Kino, that is a beautiful spot.
You said your grandma told you that?
Beautiful spot.
My grandma's the only one that called me Negro.
Your grandma's funny as shit.
I'm just gonna tell you something. This Whitfield is high still left to get broken. Get the retail.
I'm gonna give it one more. Keep waiting, bro.
This nigga Bells look like Splinter Cell. Bullshit.
You feel, nigga? This is what AI is gonna turn us in 20 years. Tell him.
Bro, y'all seen all this chat GPT shit is getting scary, bro.
I give a fuck about ChatGPT.
Bro, they just put a 6-month ban on their production, so they're not allowed to develop the AI for at least the next 6 months.
It's gonna develop itself. That's the thing they don't know.
That's probably what's gonna happen.
It's gonna develop itself.
It's because
too
they're
strong, and next you know it's gonna launch all the nuclear missiles.
Yeah, it's
from China.
because the chat GPT 4 is like high key too smart. Like you know what I
Have
mean?
y'all seen the show The 100?
Yeah.
Exactly what's gonna
In the
happen.
first season.
It's exactly what's gonna happen.
I haven't seen that.
AI being a
Is
part
it
of
like where they were like stuck like in a ship or some shit?
Yeah, and
They
they sent
got-
100 of them to the ground.
Yeah.
I suggest y'all watch that to at least the third
Yeah.
fourth season.
I don't think it'll be just like that.
You're crazy. I'm talking about
Nah, nigga. If anything,
They
the world's gonna be like Black Mirror.
or that.
Or that. More likely.
But it
More likely.
It replayed literally how AI fucking ended up taking over, sending off fucking all the nuclear missiles from China, United States, blew up everybody, and then boom, that was it.
Y'all ever seen Cyberpunk?
I don't know.
What is that?
The game?
Oh, the game, yeah. I was gonna say I've never seen the movie.
No, not the movie. It's the game. Like you know the environment. I feel like they had a pretty accurate or like pretty realistic prediction of what the future was gonna look like.
That or
Ooh, oh no.
Hold on to that damn game. Because it wasn't like too far fetched, and it wasn't like you mean like nothing was like too like close to present day. Like you know what I'm saying? Or the y'all ever seen like Blade Runner? You never seen Blade Runner?
No,
in Maze Runner.
exactly. Maze Runner was hard, nigga.
Maze Runner was hard, nigga. I give it to you. Maze Runner was hard. I read that whole book series because that shit was so hard, bro.
Nigga, I rewatched the series.
I went and saw Dungeons and Dragons. It was kind of ass.
Was it? Damn, that's low key disappointing.
I've heard like the original versus, but I've never seen the original. And I like the
Y'all ever seen Tenet?
yeah.
That's good.
That's an amazing movie.
What about Limitless?
Of course.
Yeah.
Fire. Okay, Divergent.
No, absolutely not.
Okay.
I'm okay, bro. Personally.
It's just, you already know I watched it
No, I
though. I
don't.
need to be part of that society.
Y'all need to get on the anime.
What you rewatching? I'm waiting for Demon Slayer, bro.
That's same here. Same here.
Bro, I went to theaters to go watch the first episode.
And if you're a real OG, caught up on board though.
I ain't caught up. I'm like episode like 80.
Here Academia, nigga.
Cause like niggas keep telling me bad shit about Boruto, bro, and it makes me like want to stop. I was liking what I was seeing so far, but I'm gonna probably tune back into it.
I'm gonna just sleep.
30 to 75.
That should be so long. Like I don't want to get to the end of it and just like have wasted my time typing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I feel you. At the moment, yeah, it's definitely
It's as slow. Like if you think it's 30,
at the moment, yes, it's slow, but
it's worth
I mean,
watching.
like-
At a point.
putting together like all the whole series and like the storyline and shit.
Oh, why? Because they doing what they did with regular Naruto.
That shit's crazy. It gets deep.
Bro, they don't miss. Like even the first fight with the Utsuki niggas was crazy.
Oh yeah, wait till the next nigga.
Y'all niggas need to get on body.
Bro, you need to get on fucking. Oh, you know what I need to watch? I need to watch Attack on Titan.
I finished that shit.
Oh yeah, Attack on Titan's lit.
I've been finished that shit.
Oh my god, Legend of Korra. Don't sleep.
Fire, nigga.
Legend of Korra is trash. Oh yeah, deadass. Y'all not serious, right? Y'all not serious. I know y'all not like y'all on some Cartoon Network type shit. Like y'all
Bro,
did
you're
that.
smoking, bro. You just say you never watched the Legend of Korra episode without
That's the thing.
That's facts.
Legend of Korra is trash.
Shorty Bop was hard, bro. She was putting in work in the field. Nobody was stepping. Promise you that. Bro, I'm watching the first season of Korra. I'm like, yo, why is this nigga Amon so hard? Like, yo.
Fire.
Nigga was straight taking niggas bending away. Like, come here, pussy. Like, yo.
Legend of Korra.
That shit was crazy.
Legend of Korra, some kitty
He
shit.
went Sherlock Holmes on his ass. He had to find out who it was. Da-da-da. No, only his brother can kill him. Type beat. You know what I'm saying? Next thing. You feel me? That shit was crazy.
I do see DXY potentially pushing up to take out buy side liquidity before continuing lower.
That's what I need.
30 showing me that what I need. Looking good for buyers, 30.
Nah, it is.
Unless DXY just completely melts, that would be.
If it melts from here, I'm taking buys on 30. For sure. And this right here would be my.
It's like the only indicator
I got 3 confluences right now that are matching up.
I'm trailing my stop loss. I don't normally do, but when I do, that shit's deep.
You in profit, right?
Yeah.
Take your profit, nigga.
9:30 is about to happen, bro. 9:30 about to happen, my boy. So just expect some wicking to happen.
Are you right?
right.
I'm already break even.
All right, then. Be breaking even. Don't move your trailer. Just leave it.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna leave that bitch for now. You're right. It definitely is about to be now 30. Damn, Shorty Bob hitting me up for drugs. I don't got them bitches no more. That's unfortunate.
It's unfortunate for her.
Point her in the direction of salvation.
Then went to the church. Give the address.
Well, you won't be doing drugs no more?
No. I was selling cards for a little bit, like the dad path.
Oh.
You gotta get paid, nigga.
You gotta get paid, man.
No, the profit margins on these bitches is stupid, bro. You get them for 16 a cart and you sell them for 45, bro.
That's the nigga. With FBA, nigga. FBA, nigga. Nigga fucking wholesaling, nigga. Drop shipping.
Bro, that shit was crazy. The profit on that bitch was nice, bro.
And
It was like 130% on a batch.
Why you stop?
My plug stopped.
Tough.
Yeah.
Get out the game, man.
So, shit, my plug was like my close friend, you feel me? So I was just like, fuck it. You done, I'm done.
Can't do this anymore, man.
Now he got some darkness happened. He got caught up. Come on.
2 minutes left till open.
Melting.
2 minutes till open.
We'll probably see a sell to buy scenario where people sell off.
Mm-hmm. I'm with the sell to buy. Come on.
Just be patient, my boys.
Just be patient.
Let Frankie do what he do. 9:45. Take his entry.
Great.
He sleep.
That nigga sleep,
I
bro.
told you that nigga was a
I'll
slime.
be trading Mondays for real.
He's fed up. He traded yesterday. He's fed up.
Yeah, bro. When that nigga came here to visit, this nigga was trading like every hour of the day, or at least on the chart. I was like, damn, nigga.
You said he was.
Heavy on it. He's heavy on it.
I know.
You should have seen him during quarantine, bro. Jesus. I tried to get that nigga outside so many times, bro.
No shit. But I feel him. I was the same way for a long time.
Quarantine.
Still new to the game.
Quarantine.
He's mad young, bro. I hate when that nigga be calling everybody old, bro.
That nigga young as fuck.
That should be blowing me. Like, bro, I'm 2 years older than you. You talking about you almost old. Nigga, what? Like,
Nigga, I can't believe it. Andre is one funny ass nigga though.
he be calling Keno, or not Keno, he be calling Kel old as shit. I'd be like, bro, shut
I'm like, what are you
up.
talking about? Kels is in his 20s. What are you talking about, bro?
That don't even bother me.
I'd be like, yo, let's not listening to this nigga, bro. He chat.
Young niggas, you know what I'm saying?
Young niggas.
We all young niggas, bro. We all super young niggas, bro. Every one of us.
How old are you?
Who, me?
100.
Damn, that volatility stepped in that motherfucker.
Oh,
It's 9:30 already?
yeah, 9:30 just hit. I'm just watching. I'm seeing.
That shit can't point stopping me out, but it probably is gonna.
Just let that shit do what it do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm letting it float. You gotta float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.
Seeing like a hoe. That's burning. That shit sting.
It's Monday too, so we gotta be careful. A lot of manipulation, like I said. But if we break these highs,
Yeah.
I'm on 30, let's get this.
I got that.
It's so weird trading on MT5 and MT4 because like I'm funded on 50K, but it's through MT4.
Oh, that's so rough.
So it's like when I hop back and forth, it's
Pick
like
the
weird.
wrong one.
It's like weird as hell.
I love MT4.
So you got funded again, Cal?
No, I've been funded.
Oh,
I still have my 50K. Yeah, I'm like still trying to rebuild that shit.
Bro, that shit broke me even. It's close for the day. I'm done trading for the day, guys.
Hey, man, do your thing, bro.
It's a break you day. You know what I'm saying?
Do your thing, bro.
Sometimes shit just happen like that.
Patient with it.
Patient with it.
If this high,
My son Dre just showed up. What up, Dre boy?
I'm saying it could short, but I don't know how.
My son Whitson here too. I didn't even notice. What's good, Whitson? What's good, Dre?
But alright, on that note, boys, I'm at the five. Look at his eyes. Oh, look at this nigga. Look at like, did I make it? He's like, did I make it?
It's like, what did I miss?
He got a echo. Yeah, look, he ain't fucking his whole line.
Yeah, like this, yeah.
Must be fried.
You gotta be. You gotta be. Look at him. You got this, bro. Come on.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yo, Spider-Man with the Dewey on is crazy. That's gonna be the Twitch profile channel. Or profile picture.
That's fire, nigga.
They're gonna be a hop on for the sessions. You're just gonna see a picture of Spider-Man with a do-rag on.
Nas is looking good for buys, bro.
Exactly. That's what I'm seeing too. Nas, you's a little bitch because you really did me dirty. No cap. But I'm not gonna get it for buys yet. We still got that 10 o'clock news. I'm gonna just let it rock.
Because this is
Wait for that 10 o'clock. Though.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that 10 o'clock.
It looked like it ran liquidity already after filling the gap, so it probably will slow. DXY is pushing up, so I'd be careful. Plus, it's the first. I don't know. If you're touching it in the first 15 minutes, you smoking crack.
Andre, are you still in that trade from last night?
There's no way.
Fuck no. What?
I'm not sure. How the fuck?
How the fuck?
Bro, that stop loss got hit before this.
That shit got runts.
Yo, ass is floating up.
I like that.
Yeah, Nas is pushing
I
up.
just need to secure these highs.
I wanted NAS to come a little bit lower. It missed the weekly gap by like 10
So
points.
much points, yeah.
It's. I swear it's going to run for that gap.
That gap up there, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably
Yeah.
gonna run for that.
They always get filled.
Yo, no. Look how much. Oh my god.
It's gonna, bro, wait for the retracement.
Man. Let me put
wait
it.
for a retreat.
No, I'm gonna go put it in right now.
Let that bitch
US30 is looks like it's falling. They've been opposites. It's been interesting today.
US30.
DXY is pushing up too.
DXY is dying.
S&P's pushing up too.
The VIX is falling, by the way.
So yeah, they're all just kind of fucking around.
Liquidity.
Yeah. I can see NAS just pushing. I feel that hour gap, and then they could just take off. I wouldn't want it to. I was watching it when it filled this gap, but I didn't take the trade because I was waiting for like 9:45, 10 o'clock news.
5 minutes about to close. What I need.
Nas literally took me out by like 2 pips, bro. Can't believe that. Just to do all of this. Nas took me out by 2 pips.
It's just ugly.
Alright, we close on the 5 minute. That count.
But like I said, I'm a step away, bro. I'll join back a little bit later, though, if y'all still here.
Facts,
Alright,
it's in.
One thing I'm looking at is that like this 930 candle already kind of had its retest and flew, so it could just go to that gap. Once I look at it, DXY, I don't expect to do anything but fall, in my opinion. And there
Everybody
goes
down and retest that.
and 30 is about to run high. Let's see what it does.
30's fine. Thank you, Jesus. Yep. Okay.
It's flying, going up.
Well, let's see. NAS is looking good. 30.
So once NAS shoots out this little consolidation block, we should be able to get in for retracement to target that.
Is that a robot?
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, you sound like a robot for this second.
You sound like a robot just now. What you talking into, bro? You sound like you had auto tune on.
I don't know.
Interesting. Yeah, NAS ain't do shit today, bro. So was ass.
That's all I got so far.
This shit's just in range.
Hey, Bells, you still in the buys or you go?
Nah, I just got in, but
Oh,
I'm in profit.
on US30?
Nas. Yeah.
NAS is flying. Yeah, I'm in profit already. Good. I got on the retracement on the 1 minute. I was at 5 minute high.
Alright, like the way it looks, it could just keep pushing. I would have wanted to get in a while ago. I wanted to get along.
Yeah, this shit's pushing, bro.
I like the way it's pushing. I needed to keep it.
Shit, but yo ass be getting in on retests and breakouts. Fuck all that. I need my entry. Bars, fucking that shit.
Nah, B, bro.
I don't trust it. I don't like breakouts. That shit. You doing
It's
it.
not a breakout. This is a breaking.
Yeah, but it's a breakout on the higher time frames. You got another one.
Yeah. The higher time frame could break this level, and we close the 10 bar too. Know what I'm saying?
We gonna see. In my opinion, it could come lower, but if it comes lower, it's probably just gonna fuck around all day. Especially if it doesn't go for this gap already, goddamn it. And if anything, we might get shorts off the gap if it comes into it around time.
Yeah, if it comes to that gap, nigga, I might take a partial to gap. Because I already know that gap is fucking fat. So then we'll come in there and.
I thought US30 going to like 500, 530.
I got US30 going to 33, 800.
800 is crazy.
Yeah, I said that about NAS last time. I was like, I ain't going to 12 9. That shit went out straight to 12 9. Go on.
Shit.
Pretty sure I've been saying for months it was gonna hit 30.
It's a lot of money underneath NAS, that little leg it just made. So you could just go up there and swipe that and still come back down before you make its way up to $50.
It's just interesting. Because honestly, NAS, it would make sense to keep flying, but if it doesn't, it's like, alright, I don't know what you're doing anymore. I'm being honest. Because it looks like it wants to go long. Build the gap, read the lows.
We still got that 10 o'clock. I'm just trying to wait.
Honestly, even looking at like the 4 hour on the S&P, like this price leg is just starting to look like very like fake and like I don't know, it just looks weird as hell because it's like a straight line up almost.
Yeah. I'm just
Like,
still
no
trying to
real
see
price action.
what news does.
Yeah, exactly.
When I was trading it last night. I was just watching like ICT's like his weekly shit, like Twitter Space. He was like he's coming on the charts at 9:45 to 10 o'clock because he's gonna wait for like that time. Then I checked the news and those are both the news events. So I'm like, all right, maybe I should just wait. But he was
Gonna clear those highs.
Right.
Okay.
Honestly, if you're in a long time, I wouldn't even look. Yeah, I wouldn't even look at 30, bro, because they've been doing opposites all day. Just to not get your hopes up, because that shit was flying last night.
I feel you, bro.
Absolutely nothing, like nothing. It was up like 100 points, and that did not even move, like not even 10.
Yeah, I took a sale at
You took a what?
a sale on NAS100.
Like now?
No, earlier.
I was like, nigga, you're bugging. Trigger, what are you doing? Don't do that. Alright, let's go. NAS. Push from him and push. It's just NAS has this gap, bro. That's all.
S&P ran the London low.
30's coming back to retest those highs again and that'd be beautiful. Alright, man, I'm in NAS. See what we do. Yeah, NASDAQ guys, we're getting that. 13,128. Where we going?
Fucking perks. So I'm either gonna look for possible sells at that gap, or if we run these lows again on NAS, I might look around this 1350 area. And if that don't play out, then I'm just going. This shit don't look too promising on NAS.
Yeah, NAS is looking like bullshit 30.
30 I look like DXY. DXY has just been one way. More like I was up when DXY was at the gap at like 103.30, and it's just been continuously like it's had like 3 up candles since the right now. 3.
I got a beautiful picture. Keep it poppin'.
What previous day's high was
Consolidating. I'm just waiting for 10 o'clock. 9:45, 10 at this point. Because price is not showing us anything. Timing is more than likely the one thing we're missing. Matter of fact, let's see what that nigga ICT doing.
He said he's not on. That's what they Toodles.
That bitch ass nigga said he was gonna be here 9:45 and 10. Yeah, bitch ass nigga. Yeah, I guess he ain't me live. Back it, boy.
Been on an absolute tear. Last year in 2022 was the complete opposite. Value stocks were on a tear and growth stocks were a little bit of a lag. The reason behind that
I'm
is
trying to
because
move Kino's
interest
merger.
rates last year were on the rise. This year people are expecting
Like this shit won't move, bro. Like this shit taking on my whole screen.
Shit don't look like it's moving
No,
for
I'm
sure.
not fried. I just woke up. Fuck all y'all. I just woke up. I woke up, bro. Because mind you, I went to sleep at 3 when I took the loss on 30. And I was just kind of up until 8. Then when 8 o'clock went, because mind you, this hour gap is where I wanted my trade originally from this morning, like with line session. Never happened till 8, but I was already waiting till like 9:30. I was like, fuck it, I'm already in a loss. I'll just wait for the time, and then it started to play out. Then I got up at 9:30. Yeah, 30 strong. So I can tap that 531 level I have. I think that's like a daily high. Yeah,
33,500.
Yeah, so I like reach that daily high I had.
Come on, man. What can you do? One day I trade you don't follow.
Bro, it's been like that all day, bro. I'm telling you. That's why I was like, don't look at 30, bro. That's exactly why I said don't look at it, because it's not doing what it wants. This is doing its own little fucking thing. And the mind of its own right now. Little kiss me.
S&P's flying too.
Yeah, in the ass as well, bro. Putting this in the chat here. You know, I'm just gonna hold this bitch because.
Yeah, we're getting some volume now. We're at 9:45. You can tell I'm meditating.
Fucking Nash, bro. Like, you do no bitch. I will never trade your game, bro. I swear to God, bro. I will not.
Murray and Udo point. That's not sure you're in again. This one has days. Just gotta.
One day I was like, you know what? I'm trying that out, man. Like,
Told you, bro. If you would have never looked at 30, you just would have thought Naz was shitty. But now you had expectations. That's why I was like, fuck 30 right now. Because that shit's doing numbers.
never mind. Yeah, we're good. Come on.
It's gonna go down a little bit more, but NASDAQ.
We ran this high. I'm trying to see like potential longs on Nas. We couldn't. I'm looking at Kino's chart. That same area is possible. I just don't want it to run these wicks. But ideally, best case scenario with 830 is the low of the day.
Right here.
Maybe if we look for it to run.
Yeah, it's like I want us to run liquidity, but I don't want it to run that major wick like that low, or where under your stop loss is. Kino, I wouldn't want it to run that in my opinion. Like
Yeah.
maybe the second leg.
Me, I would say this one, this right here.
Yeah,
That's the lowest I would go.
That's where I would. That's
the lowest I would go.
Yeah. Because if you look under that next low, that right there, there's another fair value gap like resting right below it.
So I know if it breaks that low, it's just gonna go lower.
So it can come down below that low right there and then push back up.
Also, Kino, if you look on like the hour, that same area, you're looking at it's like that 1 hour little imbalance, like wherever that entry is. That shit's some all the way out.
Yeah, it could definitely drop some more. So I'm just paying attention to it, see what it does. I'm not really
like
questioning.
10 also. Well, then we have them 10 o'clock ranges. I try to watch to see if it draws a higher low. So if we keep pushing and then straight into that gap at 10 o'clock, very possible.
really gone, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, 30's out of there, bro.
And I had my entry.
Jeez, 30 is out of there. Well, you sold?
No, I bought.
No, I mean, like, did you sell your entry?
No. I was gonna. My entry. I was gonna take it down.
Alright, US30 just ran that daily high.
30's gone.
I ran that daily high now. Like right here at 531, this is where the high was. So it's either gonna have a reaction or this shit's just gonna start to keep pushing and say fuck that high.
So, I don't know if I want to get in yet. If anything, because I'm telling you, I got stopped out right here. I'll put it on right here.
There we go, Naz.
Naz is pushing again. I don't want to take my trade here because then
I got it. Well, I got it below it.
I'll have to put stop loss here, and I would even be getting a 2-to-1 at this point. So
I wouldn't even.
I'll just let it. I wanted to come back lower, but it is what it is.
Probabilities just aren't. It's nice.
So what about this area though? That area right there. What do you think you can reach at it a little bit off of that and go down a little bit?
Oh my God. You sound like a robot.
That's what I'm telling you, bro. Why you sound like that, bro?
It's early in the morning, you know.
Nah, it's definitely it's not you. It's like actually auto tuned.
Oh really?
You sound auto tuned, bro.
Some kind of nigga be straight. In the night, I feel
It's
Oh my God. Let's go. Man.
Yeah, Naz is out of there, bro. It's
There's a
cool.
grace.
It's cool. I could come back tomorrow.
I need it, bro. That's
Yeah, it's about to close that gap right now, bro. Just hold that. It's gonna close that shit.
I mean, once it closes that gap, nigga, I'm about to see what it does. We can just continue to fly and go straight. There we go, Naz. You son of a bitch. You dumbass bitch. You stupid bitch. You fucking sexy bitch. Keep on fucking pushing, bitch. Oh my God, bitch.
What a guy.
That motherfucker moving. Come on, bro. This is 1-0 in the week. Please, league. Please. Good way to 1-0 in start the week off.
Watch that 50% of the Asian range. That's just always devious.
I tell myself to stop looking at this shit.
Don't do that, bro. You see it right now.
Cool.
And you're above opening price.
I'm not looking at that shit. Push.
Hey, man. No. 142. 142. That's what I said it. That's the price I set it at.
We're at 149, 150, 151.
Yeah, 30's gone. 10 o'clock's in about 10 minutes.
30? Yeah, 30 would have been my beautiful little 1 to 2 like straight.
I was looking at 30 at 2 a.m. too. I wanted it to run low. I need to do that. Little bitch. Little bitch. That would have been my trade. That would have been like one and done. But unfortunately, shit's not one play out.
Yeah, there we go.
That's not.
Beautiful closure on the 5-minute ad. Beautiful. Nice bullish and go on the 5. Just keep flying.
What's your stop loss gonna look like? Do you know? What's your stop loss looking like?
All right, this
Like,
is
if you
it.
were to hop in,
If-
what is it?
If I would have got it, I would have got
5 points.
I don't really count points. It's
I
really
like
just
read it.
yeah, 25 points.
I'm so glad I got out.
Facts. You would have been done so.
I would have been clipped.
Bro, let me show you, bro. Like my shit, I really got stopped out right here, bro.
I know exactly how.
I really got stopped out right there. Literally right here. And now for it to take the fuck off. I really got stopped out right there.
You didn't get back in, bro?
No, I didn't.
It's alright, bro.
It's
Don't
all
beat
good.
yourself up, bro. It's okay.
Bro, yeah, I know.
1 in a million. It's 1 in a million moves that's gonna happen.
Facts.
Your voice is so soothing.
Nigga said his voice is so soothing, bro.
Bob Rogers or whatever.
Bob Rogers. Bob Ross.
Bob, yes.
You said Bob Rogers.
Hey, tomato, that nigga.
He said Bob
We
Rogers.
understood what he was saying.
I'm gonna look up Bob Rogers. Who the fuck? Bob Rogers Travel. Sounds about right about you, Kyle. Travel agency. This nigga looks like him. That's crazy.
You're lying.
I don't know why he look like him in a way. He's an old white guy with glasses and white hair.
That's crazy. That's disrespect. Damn, Kel.
Nah, not him. I'm just saying it's Bob Ross.
Oh, I was like, damn, you compare this thing to white boys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, I don't know. Just
Who took the buys?
You know I did, nigga.
You did? Bells did?
You know I did, bro. I told you what I was
Anybody else?
Fuck man.
He said, fuck no.
Bro, that boy bought
Real
it.
shit, bro.
High as shit. He traded differently than 90%.
That shit was bugging, bro. Why did you do that?
I'm waiting for more structure.
Was that the news? Oh, the news didn't even drop yet.
News didn't even drop yet. I'm waiting for
That
news.
was, bro, that's
9:45
weird
to,
as fuck. You don't think those candles are weird?
Nah, 9:45 we had the push.
That 5-minute bullish engulfing is beautiful.
As soon as 9:45 hit, the news kind of came in. Now I'm just waiting for 10.
S&P's still pushing.
US30.
Where are you pushing?
US30 gone.
Pushing.
US 30's out of there like a motherfucker. It's just out of there, bro.
Probably this next weekly up.
I'm a rocket man.
What did I tell you, Andre? 33,800.
3,300. That's still.
I'm telling you. Okay.
If it hits that, then I don't expect a lot of movement this week. At least until
I'm telling
middle
you.
Facts.
Honestly,
bro.
It's gonna be a
Ain't the
volatile week.
economy fuck? What's going on here?
You know it, bro.
They're putting everybody in the first one.
Not even, bro. They've been dropping news. Shit's been being said about.
Yeah,
Talking
honestly,
about
it's
the
been
second
doing-
of mine had ass nigga.
It's been doing what it's supposed to be doing. And I think this is gonna push it up, make everybody think that we're in a bull market, start to get people to try to trust the banks and shit. And that's what we don't let niggas do.
That's how they gonna get out of debt, huh? Taking everybody money.
It's really coming from somewhere else. Like,
Unless they switch over. I'm interested to see how this digital dollar works out.
Cause I wanna know if I'm ever insane.
If mine disappears, bro, I told you, I'm gonna just get a tent. I'm going crazy. I'm gonna just take myself.
Bro, he said I'm just gonna start robbing niggas.
Bro, I'm gonna just shit. At that point, fuck it. I'm gonna just be in my own little world for a couple of months while shit's going downhill. I'm like, yo, Kel, meet me at my hut. I'm in Destin.
You know, build an arc in this motherfucker.
We're gonna be like, yo, just say on that. Y'all gonna see me on YouTube with them fucking 4-hour videos of me building.
Oh yeah, like them little mud huts.
I'm occupy my time. NAS is rejected with 50%.
Yeah,
I told you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Always have it there. Cause that shit is annoying, bro.
It's a rejection, bro. It's just
Nice, pulled back nicely. That's what I want.
I'm saying is the fact that
It didn't close yet. It didn't close yet, so my entry could still be there.
It didn't close yet for sure. But the way I'm looking at it is NAS just made the high today, ran all the liquidity into the 50% of the Asian range, going to get 10 a.m. That's what I see.
it's just nonsense. It's alright. Keep it there.
So if it wanted to push, in my opinion, then would have pushed.
It would have been a push, yeah.
30 been going. And that's just been consolidating all morning like a motherfucker.
We are in the weekend. If this is what I think it is, we probably fake out fucking consolidation. But
Who knows? Ain't tough to get
I'm
it.
thinking about
Oh, we did? I think it might have actually happened.
not on my broker. Hold on, what?
Yeah. My broker earlier ran the previous high on 30 when it never ran on 30.
Okay, we on A cap. Oh, okay, you on A cap too. Alright.
Let me see this.
Did you get a buy?
Nope. My screen is right here, bro. You'll see every trade I take.
Alright, we're going into this 10 o'clock hour. Let's see what happens. I'm trying to think of any possible long scenario, short scenario. It's very weird on that, at least.
Yeah, that is some bullshit right there.
But in my opinion, though, that's probably the only one that's going to be able to give us a valid trade, though. So.
I think he had my trade, but I didn't execute.
Sorry, look.
Nah, because this shit looked devious. Shit took off and no pullback. I'm cool.
That's all I'm in, though. It's always like that. It's just always a season.
Even if it's
Always a season.
oh my god, it's too good.
Trying to see where we would possibly look for longs. I'm thinking if we run those lows, 1350, but if we don't run those lows, it's just iffy because if we close this bearish buying like where we originally would have, it makes it iffy. You know what I mean? Even though it could play out.
It still could play out. I'ma just wait. Just keep waiting. I just want news done. If news bring it down a lot more, I might look to get it buys. Might be. If news brings it down a lot more, let's see. News might just tell. All right, let me look on TradingView. When you look on a different time frame, it looks shaky. Look at the 15 minute. Look at that wick.
That's exactly what I said. I was like, because now if we close in 2 minutes, don't get a 10.
Ugh.
Push is like, it's like, that shit's lead.
It could. It may not.
It could. This is one of those situations where it's like, it's two big ass wicks to both sides now. This was the last two candles.
I might still take a buy because if you look on the 4 hour, it still looks strong. It's still gonna close above that last 4 hour.
Yeah, I think my buys is valid.
Yeah, I'll still take buys. All right, come on, 10 o'clock.
We could drop to maybe 13,100 at 10. Potentially. I'm gonna have to hop on the 1 minute. I'm gonna have to see that shit doing seesaw. Fucking up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm like, alright.
This can't be real.
What?
I'm watching a nigga. Nah, this is fake. No way.
You said it can't be.
You watching me?
Bro, this man is playing on 2 different Fortnite accounts on 2 different laptops, and he's like building crazy at the same time and shit. And he's running duos with himself.
Niggas like him probably play chess by himself.
I'm about to send this John to the chat.
That's crazy.
This is insane. Like, I don't think it's real. It can't be.
It's
There's no way.
Alright, 10 o'clock. Give me something.
I'm watching 30. Imagine if 30 has as big as a reversal. That would be deep.
Here, so that would be.
It's possible. I would say it's not highly likely, but it just ran a daily high. So shit. Once it does that, it's all.
All right, it's pushing down. It's pushing down. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody else just joined in. Somebody just joined in. Y'all niggas turned into rats and mouses, bro. This nigga a raccoon right now. No cap.
That nigga Mickey Mouse.
We got 6ix9ine in the group chat.
Profile picture. That's not even him.
Yo, YouTube, we got 6ix9ine on live, man. Join up.
69 on live?
6ix9ine.
Yeah, what? Jesus Christ, 6ix9ine people?
Man, you gotta get him on here.
Alright, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, okay.
What you want to show us?
Yeah. I mean,
30. And XY. Dying. But also in something different.
That shit about to push.
Give me my push. Just give me my push.
30 look like it's about to drop.
Nah, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Y'all seen the volume already? I'm still waiting.
Let's go.
I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting.
I'm just watching it. It's a 15-minute candle, so I'm watching on the 15. I'm just trying to see what it does with its wick. Cause it's like
I'm watching it on the 1.
One
DXY. Oof, look at that DXY though. That's just.
Bro, DXY has died. Like that weekly
like
gap,
that?
bro, it's been dying all morning. Crazy.
Jesus Christ, DXY. Oh my God. Okay, Nas, can you fucking
Witnessing the death of the dollar.
There we go, Nas.
Yeah, this would have been my entry right here.
Let's go, Nas.
Should have took it.
Tell our kids
I should have
about
took it.
whenever paper money disappeared.
Yeah.
I'm like, we stopped using that shit a long time ago.
Back then, we used to use paper money.
I'm like, paper? What are you, a caveman? I'm like, damn, bro.
You gonna hear this thing 100 kids like, damn, that shit is devious, huh? Devious.
Like, they gonna walk in, oh boy's in here.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Yo, honestly, this could be even giving shorts off.
They can be given shorts or buys, bro, at this point.
This is a weird, like, NAS itself is in a shitty position. In my opinion, if NAS starts to dump, I might sell 30. Honestly.
I'm seeing 30 drop. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing 30 drop, man.
That daily high.
I don't know. I just need Nas to figure out what the fuck is
Like that high right there, Kino, it just ran.
Yeah, it just ran the high. It ran the high weeks ago, bro, or days ago. So I'm looking to
Yeah, this thing, I'm still bullish though.
yeah, I'm not gonna go against it. Bitch is just pushing up. I'm not gonna go against it.
If Nas doesn't engulf here on 15, then I'll trade it. It probably still, we're pushing though. Let's go. Just gotta trust the trade, bro. Gotta trust it.
Facts.
For a reason.
Factual. Let me hop on the 1 minute. Let's see what y'all boys talking about.
I'm on 5 minute, nigga.
What the hell, boy?
5 minutes.
But on the 1 minute, you gotta really zoom in.
Yeah, I see shorts now. Nah, I don't really know what it's doing. 1 minute's not showing too much. It's really up and down.
Looking out my window, gonna keep my head up.
I would never recommend just sitting on the 1 minute. I just like look at it.
I take entry up in 1 minute.
Yeah, like shit like that.
Let's go, Nas.
It lets you like get direction. Like I don't know. You get a better perspective for what the market is doing on the micros level.
Bro, it's weird. I really wanted to push, but at the same time, it's like I have a feeling she just wants to drop. At least NAS, at least. It's just such in a weird area.
I'ma just stay out.
I'm just watching that last 15-minute candle. That candle's kind of throwing me off. What it did.
They look weird as fuck.
Come on, Nas, push.
Let's go, Nas. Come on.
Give my son Bells a winning trade for the day. Come on now.
Push it.
Push it. Push it. To the limit.
I moved my stops right below that low. So
We need some new shoes.
Let's go, Nas. Good shit, baby. Let's just keep pushing, bro.
Yeah, it's gone. I should have took the re-entry when I seen it. It's gone. It's gonna push right above those highs.
DXY's coming back to the other gap. Damn. Whole range. Whole range. That shit just dropped it. Literally. That's 50% again. God damn. Bro, I'm telling you. Look at that level, bro. 13,142. Second time.
Yeah, it's gonna have a reaction. I don't think it's. I don't think that level's strong enough to hold price.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's not the close to that. Yeah.
This 30 is at 33,600. That's about 30 points above that daily high.
That shit can just mess
Maybe.
4 seconds to 30 candle. 4 seconds to the close. All right, new candle open. Okay.
I'm gonna be the contrarian. I think that's going short. That's my bias. I wouldn't want to say I want shorts because everyone's looking for longs, but in my opinion, I see more shorts right now.
Kels, what's the retail thing? Kels, what retail's is doing?
What?
What is retail doing today?
Shorting.
Yeah, so we going longs, buddy.
So right
NAS
now,
looked like 30 would have been different, but NAS is like, I don't know, bro.
It's lagging. But I feel like once we get
US30. So earlier it was 64, but now it's 66%. People are short.
And that shit pushed.
Same thing with S&P. It went from 63 to 63 short. And NASDAQ is at 56% short.
Like half, a little bit more than half. That shit. Oh my god.
About 13.
Bro, Bells, can you just put the 50% of the Asian range? Just so you're ever aware of it there, bro.
I'm not doing it, bro.
OCD, huh?
Nigga for the 9.
But it's just the fact, it's not fucking up your head. You see a reaction from it, bro.
It's like the reaction, nigga. I'm holding it on.
Facts.
Listen, I'm just
Whose
saying.
chart are we watching?
Keynotes.
This is my chart, but my fault. Y'all want to share?
Oh, no, we good.
My shit don't look interesting at all.
It doesn't need to. The clearer, the better.
I say my shit look clean as hell.
1. Wash strawberries in lightly salted water. It will remove the bugs from the strawberries. 2. Fruit bugs are flying around on foot. 4. Apple cider vinegar and detergent into a cup.
We still got a lot of time in the 4-hour candle.
And put it in the
I
cup.
don't really know
The
how
fruit
much
worms will
what's
all
gonna
fly
happen
in.
in between.
3. Soak vegetables that are not fresh in lightly
Shit,
salted
even
water.
dollars still dropping.
The salt water will revive the greens. 4.
Raining
Green
right
bananas
now,
are inedible.
goddamn.
Place bananas with apples.
This is high, this is low.
Wait
That's
for
dropping.
24 hours and then see.
It's solid, man.
5. Freshly bought apples will have a layer of fruit wax on their surface.
And US30 is
Hot water
rejecting
before
another
consumption.
weekly open gap
This
at
way the wax can be
33,600.
removed perfectly.
It's like the
Have you
third one
learned
I typed in.
If you haven't learned it yet, please subscribe and like it. Life hacks you only know after 200 years of living. 1. Wash strawberries in lightly salted water. It will remove the bugs from the strawberries. 2. Fruit bugs are flying around on.
Just make sure we get a go before when they're ready. If you want to, do you want to warm up or are you just gonna go?
Let me do one warm up.
All right, let's listen to the warm up, and you have to say go.
I don't know why I want to buy right here.
All right, okay. All right, here we go.
Oh, wow, that's good. Watch that.
Mark and Vic.
Oh, wait, sorry.
It starts from the first one.
How does S&P look in comparison to these two?
It's still pushing bullish, but it looks structural.
I'm trying to find structure. This is up and down.
I mean, I see it. I'm looking at it on 1 minute.
Yeah, I definitely can't see it now. God, I don't know how you do it. I'm watching this shit like, God damn.
That was the
I would have to see
nastiest.
your chart and show you.
Let's see what it's trying to do here. Just trying to see if there's the main move. Is there even gonna be a main move?
I'm on the Orlando charts too.
Yeah, Monday too. So we got Orlando too.
This shit retarded, bro.
Crazy, it won't let you add me to that group though. That group chat.
That shit put you as red. I was like, damn.
That's funny.
iPhone, bro. Get an iPad.
Cause they like, yo, we not gonna have you fucking up our shit, bro.
Yeah, what's your email, Cal?
Yeah, add your email, bro.
You can add me an email.
Yeah, I can add you like iCloud.
I don't have iCloud.
Yo. What are you doing, bro?
I got Windows.
Oh God.
Damn it. Damn you, man. First your phone, now your computer. Next you gonna get an Android TV.
I do think you could download a iPhone interface on your Android or your HP, whatever. There's a way to do it. Cause I sign into my iTunes on my PC.
You can probably do that.
Yeah, I can sign in literally.
Possible source on 30. I'm a risky man. Y'all know me, but the way this shit looking at the weekly gap going into 10 o'clock high of the day, should be risky. But if I take this, I'm done. If this loses, I'll have to jump off the balcony.
Go in lighter risk.
It plays out on the watch what people that, bro.
Because it was a
I'm
risky trade.
already going against everyone anyway. Shit. I wouldn't say it's risky. It's just not. It's a very. The expectations would be large. If I would say. That's the least I can say about it. Expectations would be large.
But when running a business,
We've been in this area chilling.
Chilling, bro. The bells at this. That bills at this point. That shit. I ain't say close nothing, bro. That's not what I said. I'm just saying.
He's like, bro, those are your words. Those are your words. My man was about to say, but I ain't closing shit. Possibly US30. NAS, I'm kind of just chalking up. Take them possibly because. Look at it. Look, Bells. The reason behind it also is the fact that we ran the high, like I said, high of the day. NAS during that 10 o'clock 9:45 time.
he said, well, yeah.
He's dick eating.
Listen, that's why I ain't a chef. That's your job, man. I'm a cook.
Nigga, you ain't put the food in the
I just
fridge.
trying to survive, man.
You don't gotta be a cook to put some shit in the fridge, nigga.
Fuck you.
Yo, Jerry, yo, instigating, bro.
Go make your own food, faggot.
Man, I get my shit catered.
Alright,
My fault. I want to live the lifestyle. My fault. How you do that? Let me get in there.
Yeah, I'm saying I know a guy who knows a guy, nigga.
Oh shit. So it's men that's feeding you, bro. When you wake up before.
RP.
Back
Even
to
if it
it.
has a move, that shit just played for the most part.
felt like this shit was lagging, bro. Consolidated, that's all it is. That's crazy.
Monday
It is
vibes.
NFP week, guys. So
Yeah, I'm not trading past fucking Thursday. I'm gonna take what I could take tomorrow and through Wednesday, and that's it. Let me see. 30 was the play today, for sure.
I just wish it would have ran that low. If it would have ran that low, then I probably wouldn't even try to take a lot of the trades I took. Just on the fact that I would have been more, yeah, this is probably going to go higher. But it didn't run the low, so I'm like, pretty chance.
Let's go. 35,
Been a lot.
800.
Bro, these memory foams are so valid. I got 3 hours of sleep.
3 hours of sleep? Yeah, you were up this morning, I forgot.
Like,
Alright, now, if you're holding this level now, if you break these lows, I'm done with you. You should push me.
15-minute candle.
Should push me, man. Like, I don't want you to fall from here. Give me something, fuck. Something.
had some cool ass Airbnb guests just checking out.
Okay. What were they like?
I don't know. I guess my girl had put in the listing that we're 420 friendly. So whenever they had pulled up, girl had like rolled up and like we just started gassing like right away.
That's how it was when I got there.
So it was lit.
And the 30's still pushing for the most part. NAS I don't even want to say it is. It's in the range.
Yo, NAS is consolidated and consolidated session.
Did y'all not buy from there?
I bought from there.
I ain't buy from there.
I'm the golden child for real.
Yeah, because I mean it did ultimately break that high right here. So I mean that's a valid area to go long because I was looking to go long off the S&P from this here. Is it held above that previous day's high?
Alright, Nas, come on, just fucking. Once Nas blows out of this fucking range,
I feel like US30 is starting to slow up. It's losing momentum for sure. I'm telling you, bro. I'm looking at it like.
I think I never knew, bro. 12 o'clock momentum.
12 o'clock don't got no momentum. 12 o'clock be sleep.
I would say it's like a reversal time.
That shit got fucking momentum, bro.
I have time notes.
12 o'clock, like, but I've been noticing lately it's been like a lot of 1:30, 2 o'clock.
It's the lunch macro from, I guess on the East Coast it would be 10:50 to 11:10. This is a lunch macro move. I feel you. I'll be on the same shit.
Man, fuck it, man. I'm just trying to succeed. How am I gonna learn if I don't try? Try my best, man. Yeah, I would watch US30 for shorts, but even then, it's just what are the chances that it falls, you know? It's possible, but I'm about to be cooked for today, though. Dollar's just dying down here.
down, no rush. Too much of touch, yeah. Come on, Nash, fucking take off. If we don't break out of this open validation, done.
I think you're in a point though where you can just watch those wicks on the
It's
bottom.
about to push again.
That's what I'm saying. Like, that's where I put my stop at. If we run those, I'm done. If we run and close below those, then yeah, we just keep running, grabbing liquidity. I think it's just building liquidity. Let's go. If we could take off from here, bro, that'd be beautiful. Oh yeah, we're bulls. All right. So, yeah. Let's break out of here.
And it'll probably be like a mid-market. But like I was saying, today might be just like a bullish trending day, and tomorrow might end up being the high of the week. And catch a slow reversal. And then over Wednesday. Or shit, we could just keep making this fake ass move up.
If we could just, I just need my TP to get hit, which is you guys' little fair value gap turns. That's my TP.
I really got S&P pushing up to like 42, like 15.
If I got NAS pushing up to about 13.3, and then doing whatever I want to do from there. Let's go, NAS. Let's go.
NAS is about to push, bro. You just gotta wait. It's loading up. It's gonna push.
Wait a second.
Did you get in yet, Keo?
No, I'm chilling, bro. I already took a loss for the day, and I just don't want to even
Good choice.
trade.
Really, like 13, like 2, like maybe 250, 225 area.
Well, my TP is 13, so it's 250 for you, so it's like, my TP is it's 300
350
on my broker.
400 could be straight. Or I would go for like the one right after that.
I'm in a good spot. I just need this shit to break out of this range and then don't reject that fucking gap that it has and then drop. Keep fuck it. Run it all.
I mean, it's just the fact that DXY is still following.
Yeah, that is lagging behind 30. That shit. 30 about to push. I'm cool. I'm in a good spot here.
30's in a very interesting spot.
This shit, 30 looks like just how it looks. I forgot when it was. But it just sat in one spot. There we go, Naz. Thank you, man.
I told you, NAS gonna push. You just gotta wait. She loading up.
35.
She loading up, bro.
I got 30 going to fucking 33.8.
NAS is gonna push up. She just loading.
That's crazy because I see 35K.
I mean, checking. I don't be seeing too much, but she keeps sneaking.
Go, Naz. Fucking push. Beautiful.
30, man, that's good.
Wait, man.
It's gonna push, bro. It's just loading. Just you guys gotta be patient. It's loading. See how much times it came back to that support and resistance. What niggas don't fuck with it, but me and you, Bells, we know what it is.
Yeah, nigga, it's a rejection.
It's a rejection from that area. It's gonna push. See that? Boom! It just broke it. It's gone. It's gone. It just broke past the highs. It's gone. It's about to take off.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, it's gone.
There we go, baby. Oh, man, what a beautiful
How long did that take?
It's just loading up. NAS be loading up.
Not that long. It's a little bit less than an hour.
Yeah, it's a beautiful play though, bro. Jesus Christ. I ain't gonna lie, the emotions were there though. Something was bubbling.
The ICT's little silver bullets in the play out. That's why I was gonna take the buys from, which is that's just crazy.
It's why I just hit that gap finally. That weekly gap. Like it just did its full range.
I'm good to do what I gotta do.
You good to move stop and break even now, no cap.
I got in on buys that got stopped out. But it's I had a small field, so.
It's all good. Fucking conditions aren't the best today.
It's Monday too, so you just gotta do that. think I just been down the whole morning. It's Monday.
Yeah, I was trying to tell you, dog. That 50% too, that shit, even though they hold up long term.
Like I said, it's just a reaction.
Yeah, but that's if you knew it was there, it would have saved you all them emotions you went through.
That's
You know what I'm
that I
saying?
can get.
Yeah, and that's the only reason I just have it there. You didn't have to use it for a trade, but just the fact that you knew it was there, you at least you'd have been like, all right, if it drops, makes somewhat sense.
Yeah.
But if it wasn't, then it's like, why did this shit play out, man? Fuck these markets. Fuck these markets.
Well, we do know it's gonna shoot up because they just took out 2 supply spots and some liquidity, so it's gonna shoot up in a minute.
That's what I've been thinking all morning. So until it do, I'm just bystander this bitch. Because DXY finally came to this area, so I'm gonna see what that does for price, considering this is the only other area for price tag.
Yo, I'm gonna go walk my dog, but I'll be back.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, the only thing I can see now for me, like trade wise, would be shorts, like to actually actively take a trade. Longs, they would probably just end up playing out and just keep going.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna talk to you.
Alright, Brody.
Be safe.
You too, man. That's Spider-Man.
See you later, Spider Gear.
It's just tragic how it took me out, bro. It took me out, bro. Let me show y'all again, bro. This is where it should. Look at where it took me out, bro.
Man, I've seen myself get stopped out many times.
Bro, it took me out like by. Look at that. It literally just stopped me out by a little bit, and then just took off. That's fucking tragic, bro.
The way I look at it, that just means there was a lot of other people's stop losses there.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, bro. That's what I was like. I was like, if I move my stop loss just a little bit lower, I would have increased the risk though.
Yeah,
I wasn't comfortable with increasing the risk.
Even if you had added by like a whole 10, 20 points possibly. So.
Yeah, it could have still stopped me out. That's all. Like I didn't want to add on any more risk.
Okay.
But here was the next entry I could have took, but I didn't. I baited on it. It's all good.
Yeah, right now my 2 eyes are on DXY and US30, but both of them are in these weekly gaps. And after having this big ass movement, NAS, who knows? It can go up, it can go down. Who knows? Hey, you get out my style. And then finally get my car service today. I need to get back on wheels. I'm tired of being in the crib.
I don't sure what happened. What?
I don't even know. Some bullshit. I literally don't even know. It's drivable. It's just the fact that I just don't drive it now. I'm just like, fuck it. I'm just weak. Especially because I don't know what it is. I don't think it's anything major. It's probably like more electronic stuff.
Yeah. I'll say a lot of the newer cars. Right. I really think they're about to try to force us to use all the electrics now, honestly.
I wouldn't be surprised.
With all the shit going on.
Alright, since I'm just here, I'm gonna hop in some longs on paper trades on DXY. I'm gonna see how I react to this gap. Just to feed myself something. Let's see, 1 billion units. Let's get this money.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm having fun, and I try to tell them, like, don't let me affect what you do. I'm gonna be good regardless. I'm gonna be good regardless, but I'm comfortable who I am.
DXY looks like it'll probably continue to put.
Did DXY break that zone? Take that one.
Not the.
It took out some equal
lows. A lot.
Well, it took like 3 lows out.
It depends which ones you're looking at, honestly. And I'm gonna hop into paper trade shorts on here, on US30, since I'm logging on there. Let's see how they play together. Let's see.
Man, I'm just so tight that it took me out by like 2 pips. That's why I'm like, I ain't gonna fucking trade. It's all good.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do in situations like that except just have a wider stop. You can't do nothing like in the moment.
Bro, I would have.
It took me out around this area. I got in on 1 minute. My entry's on 1 minute. So when it came down, it sauced my shit.
Bro, it's just tragic, bro. It's like, come on, look at how much pips it took me out by. I loaded this bitch up.
Not that. I ain't do that.
No, not you. Yeah, I'm just like, god damn. Seriously?
Man, you would have been up though right now. Right?
I would have been up, bro, up. I kept loading up every time it dropped down. This shit fucked me, bro.
Well, this thing got that good risk management. You could have been.
Yeah, I'm only down 2%, so it's all good. No, not 2%. It's my fault. 1%. I keep forgetting this is a 200K account. Bells, if you still holding this trade, it might be solid, bro. It might be
Hey,
solid.
is it real 200K or is it like the verification?
Not the verification. The what's that shit? The challenge, yeah. Challenge and the verification's up next. You know, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. This trade would have been up like 4 or 5K just off that one entry, bro. Ugh. Damn.
It's all good. It's all replicatable.
Yeah, I could do it again
Gotta
tomorrow.
come back when it's actually willing to play out nicely.
Yeah, the truth is, I was sleeping when it fucking entered. When I entered the trade, I was sleeping, so it is what it is.
And we learn.
Yeah, I was just thinking like it's gonna close this gap. It might do it when I'm sleeping during London session, so let me just have a buy limit, whatever, and then when it does, you know, we do what it did. But it is what it is.
Entries play out in the short term.
Yeah.
I'm still watching US30 for possible longs. DXY is rejecting the gap. Both of them are kind of, in a sense, doing the same thing. They pushed all day, one direction. Now they're in these gaps. May have a trade, but I doubt it. Like Kel said, it might be an afternoon move.
Nah, I don't even believe this shit, bro. I'm about to post it in the group chat. I don't even believe. Yo, Kels, get you an iPhone, bro. What is wrong with you, bro? Get your iPhone.
I used to have an iPhone. I just prefer Android.
I just have both of them then. Since you still like it, just have both of them.
Yeah. I actually just traded in my other iPhone. I had iPhone. I traded it in.
I want to see what it does for that area that I drove.
Bells, your shit is gonna be Gucci, bro.
Huh?
Fuck, man. Look how much I missed out on, bro. I'm gonna just chill. It is what it is. Okay. I just have to keep saying that shit to myself to not feel bad.
What it comes down to, you just got to tell yourself it wasn't a bad trade setup, just didn't play out.
Nah, it actually was a bad trade setup, honestly, because I wasn't even awake. So I shouldn't have been taking the trade, but I just had some faith. But when I did wake up, I added on to the position, which also increased the risk. So.
Mm-hmm. It's all good.
It's all good.
We'll be back. The 30's having a nice little drop from this little.
What's up?
That's what I was saying. 30 might just drop, bro. I see it, bro. I see it just like look like it's loading up for a drop.
Even if it doesn't play fully today.
Pull up. I see a pullback happen. Definitely see a pullback. I'm gonna put it right here. This would probably be my entry. The breaker is here, right here. I'll probably do the retest of it. Probably take it out the retest. If break there down there, retest. Yeah, I might take it there. Let's see. Swing.
At this point, I would look left. Like,
Yeah, I looked left already, Brody.
Structure would look, you know what I'm saying? The structure.
It already broke
There
the
is
high.
no left,
You see,
that's a
it broke. Yeah, it's no left.
If
It just
anything,
broke this.
Looking left is the fact that it filled that gap and ran that high. That would be the only thing I could really say. That gap kind of got through. It's probably even got through with that other high. Matter of fact, that broker has a whole different high. That's a 6 hour. What the hell? What the? You just bamboozled me. Oh yeah, right there.
6 hours.
That's different.
6 hours. You see, Keno?
Huh?
6 hours? 8 hours?
What?
Well, the time.
This is mad longer. I don't do that shit no more. But this is really what I look at now. It's just the daily, the 12 hours sometimes, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't look at the 2 minute, 3 minute. I don't know why that's there. I'm about to take it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much all I look at.
DXY is about in gold bullishly. But yeah, I'm up approximately $22 billion. I took the longs on DXY and the shorts on US30 at the same time at the weekly gaps, risking approximately. Damn, US30 up compared to DXY. Holy shit! Out of the 24 million that I'm up.
He said the what? Nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga said out of the 24 million that I'm up.
My fault. Not even million. 1, 2, 3, 4. 21 trillion. My fault. Come on, bro. You know I put a million lot. You know how it is. I'm floating 118 million on DXY. Let me close.
That's like, I did 2.2 yesterday.
My fault. My fault.
My fault.
I'm taking some profits now.
That's 2x.
2x. Oh yeah. My account originally was at 700 million. Now it's at 28 billion. Oh yeah, I ain't over leveraged, bro. I just know what I'm doing. This shit could have went south real fast. Honestly. But you know how it is. I'm closing for my position now in profit.
See that? Look at that. You see that breakdown? Ooh. Come back and retest it. I might take the trade. Come back and
see how far it wants to drop, if it's going to drop.
Because it could come back down here.
You had a good amount of volume already, so I'm just thinking about that. Oh, there it's going.
Yep, there it goes. See that? See that? Should have taken the initial break, but I feel like it could still come back all the way down here.
I'm break even, so.
No, you're good. Just leave it, bro. You already went through enough. Just leave it.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Just break even on NAS, bro. NAS is just break even. NAS is loading up.
It's doing, Keno, what I would expect on a Wednesday.
What NAS just be loading up. It just be loading up. That's what NAS do, but US30 is doing some other shit. That's what I come to learn, bro. You gotta wait. You gotta wait with NAS. NAS be going to let you wait. Sometimes they give you the fast move, but most times it's gonna let you wait.
But honestly, keep it break even. Like oh damn.
Oh damn.
Just leave it, bro.
Just leave it. Yeah. That shit
just look at it from the way I was saying earlier, bro. Like it looked shittier earlier, but now it looks the same. But at least with the closures at 10:15. So it's like, in a sense, if that Asian range, 50% of it is just making the high of the day, kind of doing this little bullshit, stopping everyone out.
Wait, what the fuck spread? What the hell? If I'm break even, how the fuck I lose?
No, that happens, bro.
That's
If it's,
bullshit.
if it's
Hold
close
on.
enough.
Nah, my shit was like $3 in profit.
Maybe spread. Shit, at least you ain't lose -4% like CPI.
Oh, yeah, fuck that.
I think I'm a
Oh yeah, you know, you never know, bro. Shit is devious.
Devious, bro. Devious.
4100.
Nah, that's crazy. Oh, I get dressed. We about to smoke. Oh man, the weed man.
Different, bro.
KK, yeah, alright. Bro. That's when you just Where's Jenner? I need Jenner to see this. Out of all people, Bells, we gotta convert Jenner. He don't be understanding.
We don't.
It's all good though. We all been there.
We all been there. Yeah. It's all good. Jenner, he'll learn one day, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I be saying. One day, maybe. I hope. But it's all good. Experience teaches all, no matter what. Just wait till he goes to Florida, man. Just wait.
Yeah, niggas don't understand what Florida got.
Bro, it was a whole different,
Lifestyle's different. Bro.
Very different, bro. I went from Philly being cold, everyone, homebody, to coming out here, fucking 17-year-olds been clubbing longer than I've been fucking 18.
Yeah, nah, for real. Like, everybody got a fake ID.
That real shit. They be like, you got fake? I'm like, nah. I'm like, oh man, you can't go nowhere then. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Like, bro, you know it's bad when they got 18 plus clubs. Come on now. That's already a red flag right there, because you already know they gonna be that shit.
Fire though.
Yeah, maybe
Fire. That shit got like
fire in a whole bunch of different ways.
Alright.
Get it? Fire.
Alright, bro. Alright, nigga.
Fire.
And 30 longs is still looking beautiful.
I want to see how far it drops.
Yeah, if
30
it drops
to
down to
4
like this 33, 500 level, I can get it.
But I'm in shorts on 30. I've been in shorts from that high.
33, 500 would be a good target.
I'm just trying to, we're gonna see. It's Monday. I ain't expecting too much. This position, I'm at the point where I can break even. I'm just kind of waiting for US30 to be on some flip-flops. Flip-flop shit.
Oh, we're getting this big pulldown. I don't think it's shorts. I don't know.
Yeah, no, shorts is not the thing.
Shit, you be surprised.
You be surprised, motherfucker. You surprised. You see that? You see that pullback? Devious. Oh my god.
And then back to 9. It just goes so ass.
Now, NAS is loading up. Definitely loading up.
It might be loaded, but it's just not high probability at this point.
It's loading up. This is what it does. I'm telling you, I watch this shit every day. Shit just let you wait. Not a damn thing, bro. Not a damn thing.
It is loading. It's just the fact that you don't know what lows or highs is trying to run before the major.
But it's still respecting structure, bro. I just say it's still respecting structure. Well, let me go on my trading view. Because trading view, I can draw it up easier. This is just how I see the chart, Everybody sees it differently. Still respecting the structure. Came back down, broke above again. Just looking for the next break. It's probably just gonna keep loading like that. It's a slow Monday, but it's loading. Until it comes.
You could grab one of those lows.
Yeah, until it comes and break like, let me get that arrow, like one of these lows or some shit like that. Then I'll be like, yeah, it's going back down.
Yeah, I got extra pre-market buys, so that's why. Okay, yeah, I'm good.
Well, if you're thinking that, Keno, then I definitely think it's
Keno, you just put me on. Where is that? I need those circles. Fuck the clips. Where are those circles?
Yeah, this circle right here. It's right here on this. It's the third one down. Third one down. Circle.
Yeah.
Signpost.
Circle.
It just says circle. That's where the brush and highlighter record.
It's right above the eclipse. Well, I don't know if you have it differently, but it's right above the eclipse.
All these different options, bro. I don't even pay for half of these.
You don't pay for it? Oh, I pay for it, so my fault.
Hold on. I gotta have it.
I pay for the
Ain't no way I don't got no circle, bro.
I pay for the yearly subscription.
It's called circle. Or am I blind?
They got squares, so.
Circle. Yo, I was trying, man. I was trying. Just gotta give me some time sometimes. Alright, this makes way more sense. Alright, fuck the clips.
Everybody screams downtown.
Alright, 30, I'm trying to see you go crazy.
30 gonna drop, bro. It's pulling back. It's pulling back to another takeoff.
It's gonna come back down, reject, and go higher.
Exactly. I just got into a pre-market rise.
Because even looking at S&P for this to really be bearish, you would have to like close bearish below like the Asian lows, the London lows, like crazy.
Watch this gap on 30 on like the 5 minute, see how it reacts. Tap into it. Like right below those lows, Keno, I want to see like that 525 area. I want to see what it does there.
525.
Like
what are we looking at?
Higher up. Like that one little gap, like right below price right now. Like that clean fair value gap, like right there.
Oh, this.
Yeah, right there to the left.
Okay.
Yeah. See what it does when it comes there.
Okay. NAS is pulling back. Let's see if it breaks some structure. See.
Come on, boys. I told y'all. Shorts.
It's definitely shorts on US30. Sure.
I'm coochie now.
He said, I'm coochie now.
Hey, coochie.
He coochie now. He thinking about pussy on the job, bro.
Well, no, because Coogee was an actual thing.
Coogee, yeah.
But y'all niggas know about that.
Coogee was a clothing brand.
Y'all niggas know about that food, bro.
Know about that food too, bro.
I used to rock football.
I used to rock football all the time.
Fuck you.
That was Damon John shit.
Alright, matter of fact, Taylor, how old are you? How old are you, bro?
I'm 20.
Hey, my nigga, that's what I like to see. We the youngest in this group, bro.
Yo, Taylor, we're all in our 20s. So, please, do not listen to this man Andre talking about niggas is old. We're all in our 20s.
They old, bro.
And I'm pretty sure none of us here has kids.
Like I said, I'll be saying the same thing.
That boy Bells does.
10 more years.
Oh, kids, Kelly, you got kids, bro?
Yeah, I got a daughter.
Oh, you ain't never told me that, nigga.
It's a horrible situation, bro.
Alright, we're gonna keep that off the live stream.
The more I talk to Bells, the more I find it's interesting.
You should have seen how I caught this nigga.
Bro, he was about to come over and go swimming. And I'm breaking even on my US30 position.
Come on, let's see. Rejected 38.2.
Alright, we're in this gap now. Let's see what we do.
See that US30 started dropping. I knew right there was the entry. I was like, let's see if you come back and retest it. God damn.
Practice makes perfect.
But I don't trade US30, so I don't really want to practice nothing on it no more.
Bro, it's the same as NAS, bro. Trust me. It's the same way you trade NAS, it's just going to be way more volatile.
Yeah, it's just more volatile.
Like,
NAS loads up.
To you on NAS, today will happen to you 2 times more on US30.
Facts. It would take me out twice.
I used to flip accounts and I used to do US30. I don't do that no more. I'm sticking to NAS. It's more structured.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
pushing.
It is.
Ooh,
Yeah,
why is it doing that?
That shit, bro, DXY is pushing from that guy. Kel, DXY literally went from 1 to 1, like you be saying. It went from one weekly gap to the other weekly gap, and those are the only 2 reactions I had all day. Like,
Yeah, man, that shit's crazy. It's the real fair value in the market. I've been studying that shit. The shit's so crazy.
NAS
is doing niggas nasty.
Honestly, I've been thinking about just taking trades that every time it hits a gap, just taking a sell or a buy from.
You should,
that's
bro.
what I be doing on fucking trading view. I be in there. Whoop, 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 whoop.
I'm like, bro, I can literally just hold these bitches.
Look at this shit. Damn, NAS did that, bro. Oh God, NAS look like she coming for vengeance, bro.
Hey, some people accounts got blown today on that NAS.
No cap. No cap. No cap.
Only down $14 for the day.
Bro, that's nothing. Bro,
I was up.
That's nothing.
That is amazing, bro.
That is fire.
amazing.
I was up 400 to lose 14 bucks.
Oh,
It don't even matter. It's
that's
Monday. You potentially could have made 400 on Monday. So that's how I look at it. Even though you didn't close out, it's a replicatable opportunity.
That just leaves me with another.
So
Hopefully not today, man.
what y'all think I should do? I'm in a rock and a hard place right now.
What's that?
So I'm taking a challenge right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm up on it. But I go on a cruise in like 2 weeks.
Get it to break even or profit, leave that bitch.
That's what I'm thinking about doing, but that means I won't be able to trade the rest of this month because I don't want to risk it, and then I'm gonna be gone for another 2 weeks. No, I'm up on the account.
I would say just leave it, bro. If anything, risk only profit then. Risk the little percent of profit, and if you win that first trade, keep risking a profit.
But it depends how much you have until you pass.
Oh no, yeah, I still gotta make like 4%.
4% in 2 weeks. You could do that.
It's not bad though.
You could do that.
That's not bad.
You could do that.
If you really said fuck it and just look to take one trade.
Yeah.
Just wait like 2 weeks to take one trade.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm like, damn, I'm trying to take like the cleanest setups if I'm gonna take any trades.
Nah, you take them weekly gaps and just leave. Well, all right,
I'm like, damn.
Time to go to buffet.
I just don't want to waste like a month of not trading. You know what I'm saying? But I got my other account, so I can just rebuild my other funded account while I'm just chilling.
Yeah, I don't know. Me personally, I would want to trade on it, but just because you would want to doesn't necessarily mean it's the best thing to do. Because you're gonna want to enjoy it. Now, if you lose that challenge on vacation, you're gonna be vivid.
Yeah, my challenge ends on like the 3rd day, but that's another thing too. I'm gonna be on a cruise, so it's like either that or either I pay $260 just so I can be able to trade for that for like 3 days.
So wait, you go on the cruise and then it ends 3 days into it, so you have some time to trade and stuff.
Yeah, but I only get like 15 minutes.
I was saying, do what you can this week, and after this week, we'll really decide. You know what I mean? Yeah. Then it lets you know if you're on enough profit or if this is like,
I'm gonna just trade them.
Look around, leave your phone, leave the whole laptop, don't even bring that bitch.
Yeah.
That's what I call it. Let the reality of the situation become the teacher of the child. To be real frank, he doesn't care for his sister that much to begin with. And for him to find out that creep was even in his room, now he loses $5 out of his allowance for housekeeping services rendered. You have his attention. For example,
No, Nas is dropping. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some pimping in it. Nah, US30 just dropped. I told you, once it break that shit on US30, it's gonna drop. It's gone. It's no way to. I'm not trying to. It's gone. It's gone, man. That shit just dropped. I'm like, fuck.
Man.
I started seeing it weaken though.
You said 32,800, right?
Oh shit.
32,800. I'm saying 32,800. We gonna have previous days low now.
Hey, that would be crazy.
Even if it was 800 today, that's a big ass move.
There ain't no way the dollar is gonna do that.
Shit, I stopped guessing with this shit, man. I wake up, everything's nothing, man. Everything's just, I don't even know. I just take what I know in these charts and try to make it work. Fuck fundamentals. The news at this point. I'm just here going off experience. I just want to at least see like those 8 o'clock lows get ran. If we can like run those lows, grab some liquidity, that would be nice.
Damn.
NAS just went. Listen, I don't want to be that guy. You see that 50%?
You said I don't want to be that guy.
I don't want to be that guy, but I'm just,
You just call it that how it is, man. I don't want to be that guy, but look, man. Look, man.
That's how it be when I work out, and then someone's like, I don't want to be that guy, but you form ties. I'm like, you right.
Right.
My fault.
You like that?
I mean, I could take calls from here.
That's what I'm looking at. Like, I couldn't over here,
But you on what you trading, NAS?
I'm on 30.
I'm on S&P.
I don't know. In my opinion, if we weren't arguing, if we're not arguing trades, I'll just leave it. It's already been.
Well, I got one more trade, and I broke even,
so in my
Well,
opinion,
right now
I
we're
would
about to get that lunch macro move. We're inside of that lunch macro. Yeah.
Damn, NAS. Damn.
10:50 to 11:10 your time.
That NAS look like it's going dirt.
NAS just died. It's sitting on. I thought 30 was moving. NAS started moving.
NAS
is all that move. Like the US30 had to move up and down. So NAS just added all that volume together.
NAS is going crazy.
I don't know, now it's good for those areas. Better fill in the rest of the gap. A previous.
Can we get Jeff up on an interview?
3300 is gonna be my.
You guys saw application and then close above this area, then we can expect continuations. The one question I get asked the most, what broker I'm using, which is always going to be the same answer, it's going to be Hero Effects.
This nigga Lambo took buys too, bro. On NAS.
Man, fuck them niggas.
Nah. Hell no. I fuck with Lambo. Just like how you fuck with ICT, I fuck with Lambo.
Nah, but ICT be teaching me. Lambo, he just be making me angry. I'm like, bro, stop buying Lambos, bro. What the fuck?
He's about that electric one, that shit hard.
I'm like, bro, he's like, I ain't gonna get it for 2 years. I'm like,
that bitch is hard, nigga.
You buying cars you ain't gonna get for 2 years? I can't afford that shit for 2 years. Oh God, I'm like, bro.
Hey, just use it as motivation.
Nah, you right. Fine, you right, nigga. On my nigga Bells, Bells is like, you need something enforcement? I'm like, yo, bro, I got a mission. I got a mess.
This nigga tired, don't buy again. Don't tell me what to do. Oh man.
Don't buy again.
That's what I see, bro. Like, to buy this right now is crazy. The cost is crazy.
Friends turn foes. You gotta go.
Hey.
Handles in Call of Duty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play
I'll be one. Yeah, honestly, I've been kind of off too.
I'd be stressed on that joint. I'd be getting kills. I'm like, I'm depressed. I'm like, bro, why am I even doing this? Let me go do something else. Let me go journal my trade. Let me do something. And it sucks because I'd be on the, like, my charts are next to my Call of Duty, so I'm just like this the whole time. Shit don't even be moving. I'm just looking at fucking nothing. I'm just like, bro, I'm addicted.
Welcome to the club. Welcome, Andre.
Oh yeah.
All right, who's standing up?
Let's see.
I think Jenna will be next.
Jenna gonna be next or what?
I'm addicted to trading.
I'm addicted.
I need 30 to give me something.
I need 30. Run these lows. Run them things. Run them things. Ooh, DXY start falling again. No.
Yeah.
Nah, bro. Please. About to hop on my belt. Please.
I'm really waiting for this damn.
Bro, I need to
commit
send
to get
this
hit.
video. I need to send this video to Bells. Bro, you're gonna relate to it so much. I see you saying when you be praying to the charts, bro.
Oh yeah.
Bro, that shit
That
was
so
so
funny.
bro. I couldn't relate to something so much in my life.
What the fuck?
Bro, I couldn't relate to something so much in my life, Kel. He was like, the fuck are you talking to? The computer.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
I was in New Orleans, like listening to that.
Bro, I'm like, you right. I'm talking to myself right now. Who's like, who you praying to? I'm like, I thought the market had gods. I don't know.
That ass.
But I don't really know what else to say.
So my US30 sales?
Yeah, I am.
Bro, I wanted to be, bro. I was waiting for the pullback. It happened. I was waiting for the pullback.
Only for fraternities lose. I'm going for a home run. I don't even care. I'm cool with a break them even. I'm going for a home run.
Are you in it, Trey?
Yeah, I'm in from shorts from the weekly guys. Nah.
Like your real money?
Yeah. Nah. I told you when I was looking at the DXY in that area, and that's the only I couldn't see any buys. Like I just couldn't. Like the only thing that would make sense in this moment would be sells. And if it would have taken me out, then it is what it is.
Oh, let's see if I get tapped in.
But NAS is about to run the blues, so I'm just like, it's playing out how I wanted so far. But NAS is just kind of shocked. At least we can see the direction for the most part, you know.
That's the first this morning.
397.
Fuck this morning. Today. I was looking at NAS 7 hours ago. 8 hours ago. Losing sleep over this shit to see nothing happen.
And bro, it literally tapped my entry. Yo, good morning, by the way. I just woke up.
It's good, bro.
My boy Tio.
Oh, that's like Tio.
Tio. Oh, yeah, we gonna see what I got.
If it rejects from here, that's crazy, because it tapped my order. And it's rejected.
Eliminate to a large degree Alzheimer's, which is now called type 3 diabetes.
That'll be crazy.
I might take my
Fertility. All of these things relate to
Bruh. This shit literally, I don't know if y'all can see this shit, but it literally tapped my shit.
75% of our diet is ultra
Hey, honestly, Bells, if you like me coming, I wouldn't even stick a trigger, bro. You already break even on Monday. Tomorrow's gonna have better stuff than today. In my opinion, I wouldn't even potentially put the risk. Even if you win the trade, this is shit's been whacked today for the most part. You know what I mean?
My rules are being followed.
Yeah, but listen, my boy, if you lose that trade, you know it's gonna make you sick, bro. You know it's gonna make you sick. I know it's gonna make you sick, bro. Yo, I know you better than bro. I be here with you. Like you guys don't realize. I realize like when you be saying, when you be talking in the trade while it's happening, mentally I realize those things are going on. You know what I mean? Because I try to learn from y'all. Because I don't learn from myself at the time. I learn from y'all niggas. Because I don't listen to myself. It was like I be going off the things that y'all do. I'm like, maybe I shouldn't do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I be doing.
It was like I kind of learned how people be moving. I'm just like, bro, the way you're already feeling on a Monday, you're already break even. You're doing better than 99% of us.
Oh, 100%.
So this is like, why potentially risk it? You know what I mean? If you don't have
I'm Bells.
Bells is reckless, bro. You already know this, bro. We've been through this with Bells many times.
Listen, it's something that works for me, you know what I'm saying? It works. Again, I'm not in a trade. You know what I'm saying? It's not
yet. This is not the form. I can feel you forming, getting ready to get. Even Kai could tell. Because he has been around you the most. Bro, we know you better than you realize.
Listen.
We be with you hours.
Listen. Ooh.
Hey. I'm gonna do what you gotta do, brother.
These bitches in the washing machine. I'm about to take mine to the gym.
I'm about to shower and I gotta go drive this car to the fucking Mercedes and have to bully some niggas. Nah, I'm gonna be able to make it because the thing is, Mercedes, it goes into like a safety mode, so like I can't fuck it up. And it's just like now I gotta drive mad slow. You know, E-way, I'm gonna have my hazards on. What the fuck is wrong with this nigga?
I'm like, get your old ass on.
I'm like, bro, I'm from my head out the whole window.
Bro, this shit is crazy how much US30 dropped, and I did not catch this move. Bro, I said once it breaks this area, it's gonna go crazy. I just wanted a retest. Oh, it is what it is. Another day. Another day, man. Another day of bullshit. Alright, it's all good. I'ma chill.
Listen, like you got mad at the 2 point, bro. Last Friday, it shot Jenner out to the point, like to the literal point, and then flew hundreds. Like Friday, remember how we trended crazy? And I had the low today. Jenner had the same trade, but he got stopped out, not by 1 point, like 0.1, like 2. I'm like, damn. bro, he was spazzing like all London session. I'm like, listen, bro, there was nothing we could have done. That's just like God was not on your side. As simple as that. He was not on your side. And it was worse because I had my stop loss like 2 points wider than his, and it held me in the trade. So I'm just like, yeah, let me just not talk. Let me just not say anything. Pretend like I didn't take a trade.
Look it up. Look up retention. Instead of you busting out, busting back, like just like you.
Come on, US30, run these lows for me. And then you can do whatever you need to do.
Like it's like okay, push it up.
Oh God. I told you I'm going for a home run.
Play the game repeatedly day after day, taking risks.
Damn.
Always making
You're looking at 5 points.
whether winning or losing.
Damn.
So no, my TP was
Damn.
for those buys. I was looking to take it. It's a and then it dropped it in there now, but I went ahead and took an ad.
So the only thing is like never hold yourself to, bro. We never really know which one's gonna play out when it does. It's like you really gotta be on it every single day. You gotta be on it every day. Like
Yeah, they both gave me my entry part. But
one plate, one day.
at the park. Yeah, he was cleaning every time, bro.
Trust. I know exactly how it is. That's why I try to.
Shit.
I really do. Wait, bro. Especially with me, I had to take off S&P for that damn reason.
I took off NAS, bro. Someone's gonna take the baby.
You took off NAS again?
My husband and I started shank.
You took it off again, like, or it's still like you said you took it off before?
No, I took it off. I took it off.
Like right now?
Like no, I've been like right now.
That plastic be fucking you up, don't it?
Yeah, I took it. I took it off as of today. I broke the ear.
Alright,
She gave me a false signal like that. I was like, yeah.
Nah, that was what I was talking about earlier, because earlier you went from saying fuck NAS to I love NAS to they got rid of NAS again.
Damn, look at US. Oh my God. Why did I not? Yo, bro. I was risking 40 points. Look at this. Dropped 1,600. That's 4 times. This.
I'm telling you, bro.
These pushes, we bears now. Yeah.
I am not bearish.
The only reason I can see how bears played out is because at least on S&P we ran the previous day's high. I'm saying, and we've been super bullish and above opening price. That's the only reason. I see us taking out the London lows. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna come back tomorrow.
Yeah. I wish this was my only trade for today. God damn it. But NAS wanted to be a little scumbag.
What the fuck? There you still looking good for buys. That's the thing. What the fuck? Higher time frame wise.
At some point, the world is going to go into
I'm pin up tang. Fuck it. I'm done being devil's advocate. I'm on your side, bro.
I'm cool.
I'm gonna just support everybody. Good or bad decisions. You want to over leverage? Fuck it.
Go ahead. Fuck it.
Great idea.
They gonna be like, I thought you were supposed to teach me. I'm like, this is how you gonna learn. This is how you gonna learn.
Fucking up.
I'm risking profits at this point, but I haven't lost. So except for today, fucking $14.
$14,
NAS
man.
ain't doing nothing. Ain't no retreat.
There's a
$14.
point
I'll
at which
give my
everything you
people on
learn
Instagram.
requires you to learn the opposite thing. If you learn to be patient, then eventually you'll need to learn when to be impatient. If you learn to control your anger, then you'll have to learn when it's good to be angry. And if you learn to be gentle,
I'm in there.
then you must learn
I'm
when
tired,
to put
niggas.
up a fight.
Is this you?
Life
Is this you?
made up of a
Is this
set
you?
of solutions for you to find.
Nah.
It's built on extreme
No, I'll say it for you it makes sense.
It's a
Yeah,
point
bro,
at which every
I ain't saying nobody got it, but it's like, bro, it'd be so annoying. The only thing that I'd be fearing is that they're gonna follow one of my family members one day, and they're not gonna be smart enough to realize they are not gonna be smart enough. They're too out of touch.
What are you talking about? Scammers?
Yeah,
Bro, we blue checked up, bro. If they still getting scammed, fucking,
that's
y'all
what I'm
dumb.
saying. Like at that point, they're fucked. But
You're
I'm saying
fucked.
before, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn, because what they do, bro, they really follow everybody you follow, and then follows you.
Yeah, every mutual friend you got to, they just hit them up.
I'm surprised.
You only follow your girl, huh?
Yeah, and honestly, the only reason I do is because, it
Yeah.
wasn't the first choice.
Yeah.
It wasn't the first choice. I like originally it was just the FBA Capital, but you know, I kind of
Yeah. Why you don't follow me, Andre?
yeah. It wasn't the original choice.
Oh man, that's fucking hilarious.
That is funny.
Bro.
Bitch.
Come on now. You know who I am? Alright, NAS is in this weekly gap now. Let's see what
30's
happens.
at this high. Come on, 30. Alright, let me see.
Run these lows. Run them.
Fuck those lows, nigga.
Nah, I got to, bro. It got to, bro. The guys got to, bro. The guys. Who you be praying to? You gotta pray for me now. Come on now.
Pray for this nigga. Get the fuck out of here.
Come on, bro. Please. Please. Bro, that ICT, I gotta find it again. I got that shit, bro. Never related to something so close in my life. The moment he said that from that video, I knew I was following the right guy. Because I can never relate to anyone like that ever. Like, never.
Bro, ICT was crying on his live.
That little bitch ass nigga.
Oh, no, crying is crazy. But his bipolar ass, I believe it.
Yeah, my dad's bipolar. Yeah, so I believe
Bro
it.
probably won a trade and cried. Not even a loss. He's like, come on, guys. I show you this every day. And you don't take advantage. I'm like, oh, man. Oh, man. One of them days, huh?
That nigga be on his period sometimes. No cap.
Nah, yeah, for sure. He just cares too much about it. Plus his disorders or whatever he got. It's a horrible combination for that man.
He has a disorder? What kind of disorder he got?
Bro, exactly. Trading Excel. Oh, my God.
What kind of disorder he got?
Bipolar disorder. The man be starting and he be saying, I'm not gonna edit none of my stuff, so you're gonna have to go back and watch it. I hate you.
Bro, he's a menace. Like, there's days where I fuck with him, and then there's days I'm like, alright, bro, now you just doing too much.
Word. Some days he just be going off. Like, yo, relax, nigga. Relax. If they don't want to make money, then fuck them. You making money, right?
What happened? Who talking shit?
ICT, bro. He be going off. But listen.
I just think it's more or less for him. Like,
you see these highs right here where I'm trying to go
Huh?
on your screen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, US30?
Bro, we need a meme of like trying to point to the charts from these fucking computers, like we expect, like we.
Bro, you know you can annotate it, right? Like, bro just showed y'all how to annotate it. Just draw on the damn charts.
I don't even see the annotate. Where's it at?
This right here is where I would want to go long.
I'm not sure I understand.
Shut the fuck up. What is wrong with you?
How do you annotate? Where's the?
He said N-O.
N-O.
It's up top. Look at up top. It says, yeah.
I see it.
Yo, Pino, you go to NASDAQ?
Yo, stop drawing dicks on my screen, bro. What's up with y'all? Yo, Bells did the same thing, and he didn't know how to remove the dick from my screen, bro. Like, what the fuck?
It just clears some imbalance. I don't know if y'all said that.
I apologize. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry.
Yo.
I've said that on stream, bro, and I haven't got banned. Trust.
Yeah, you don't get banned. Nah, you get banned only when you get too big. Like when you're too big of a character on Instagram, that's when everybody pay attention to you.
Oh man, nah, bro. I've said some crazy shit on live, bro.
30's at that point where I want to do it.
Yeah, I'm looking to buy here on 32, but it's coming back. Cause it's already broken up with structure, so I'll probably just wait for it to come back, retest. It already retesting right now, and then start to break out.
Just be careful. Honestly, like I would keep saying, just be careful. Like this time right here is iffy.
No, I'm not. I need confirmation, bro. My confirmations is different. I need some more confirmations.
You looking for it to like have a liquidity grab or a retrace?
Just a retest, like a retest.
Yeah, I needed to start rejecting.
But once we reject and start breaking highs on lower time frame.
Yeah, then I'm getting in. But for right now, I'm chilling. Cause I'm probably risk the next low. Bro, if it comes and start rejecting, I probably put my loss, like my stop loss, like below this last low, like right here. Somewhere right here. And then puts take profit all the way up here. So we'll see. I just need to start rejection.
Beautiful to me. So what you about to go long?
I'm looking for longs, but I'm not getting in yet. I need to see confirmation that like it's starting to reject that area.
Rejection?
Yeah. Need some reaction at that area.
This shit's flying though, or flying.
You mean it's dropping?
Dying, flying?
Dying?
Dying,
Yeah,
Dying,
yeah, that's
flying.
what you
I be saying
meant.
the same shit. We're pushing. They were like, pushing where? I'm like, down. I'm like, how that work? I'm like, I don't know. It got pulled down. Fuck you. Come on, bro. I wanted to run these lows, have a big ass rejection for y'all, and then we can all go our separate ways. And then we can all have a successful end of the day.
Yeah, at the end of the day, like you said, break even is very successful.
Bro, break even is better than 99. Niggas, bro.
It was only $14, which is fine.
$14. It's just the way you look at it, bro. $14 is literally nothing. That's barely break even. That's like a nothing in the grand scheme of things.
I know.
It's just emotions that get into it when you start seeing the money, when you want more. I already know. I start trying to
400 and negative 14.
Shit, bro. That I'm gonna always remember CPI. Like I'm gonna have a reminder in my face on CPI. So whenever I think of doing some dumb shit, I'm like, this shit's possible. It could fuck you up. It could fuck you up.
Man, let's see what happens when we come down.
That's really crazy. Imagine being up 6K and then minus 4K in 1 second. It's crazy. Mentally, yeah, I was surprised.
Oh boy. That's why I was telling Andre, because you was already up 4%. That's greed at that point. Yeah. It didn't make no... Yeah, at the point, you didn't know.
Hindsight.
Yeah.
You know?
Hindsight, though. But now you know that. That was greed. 4% and you didn't take nothing? That's greed.
Like, to be honest with you, this is the trade that I'm holding right now is probably the second biggest since I'm at TP4.
Well...
I'm going for 5, though. I got him a gremlin.
Fuck it. Let's see.
Nah, the way I look at it right now, worst comes to worst, I'll put my stop loss at TP2. So I ain't really too stressed about it. I just want to see these lows get ran.
See from this level, but yeah. Come on, 30. You don't push from here, bro.
It's crazy because S&P didn't run that. Okay, pushing back up.
Yeah, this is a day anyway.
This is where I wanted to go long from, so.
I think I might go long right here.
And I'm about to go long here.
Oh no!
Break this 1 minute high.
Bitch ass 30, so close. Is this the reaction y'all were looking for?
Not really.
Oh wait.
I'm so waiting.
Man. I'm gonna post in the chat. That's what I'm looking at, but it looks like S&P is gonna get stopped out. I went ahead and closed my shit. So I was like, don't look profitable anymore. Just the way it closed.
Come on, 30. This is pushing close to these highs. Because if we engulf here on the fucking...
On the 5 minute, I'm looking to get into on an engulf.
Yeah, so we're engulfing now.
That'd be crazy if this played out, because I would have really just played myself.
Shit, I would have played myself too. On focus.
Okay, yeah, I'm about to take about a minute.
Nah, Kai's a menace. He said sounds better. Oh, man.
Alright, I'm in on buys.
Eyes.
Oh, I'm in buys.
Let's see.
I'm in buys.
Momentum to keep flying. That'd be crazy.
Yeah, I'm in buys.
I'm in buys.
I'm in sell. I'm holding my TP at TP2.
Yeah, I'm out of here, y'all.
Let's go.
If y'all want to take over, y'all can, but I'm out of here.
I just put the 5 minute engulfs and stay engulfed. You have a minute.
All right, y'all boys, who want to take over? Because about to dip. Anybody could take. Anybody could take. Nah, that's probably not gonna happen no time soon.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's fucking just Thank you. Fucking.
It's not gonna just start flying, bro. I promise you, it's not gonna
If
do
it
that.
does, that's crazy.
It's not gonna start just doing that. You're gonna have to wait.
Yeah, that would be really wild.
It's not gonna do that.
Monday vibes.
You gotta wait.
Monday vibes.
I don't even really trade US30, but I see the opportunity. I'm gonna just take it. NAS, I don't really see no opportunity on NAS.
You got 30 seconds. This bitch about to close engulfing, and this shit's still flying. So.
Yeah. But I'm about to take a shower and shit.
Yeah, I'm about to go work out, you know.
Yeah, I say.
If it's gonna play, just at this point, we just gotta wait.
That exactly. Just gotta wait. How much time? 8, 7, 6.